Hi everyone, welcome to Luna Creations. Click like, share, subscribe. Today, let me teach you how I create a face mask. Prepare 3 different fabrics, cut them using the pattern. On the next slide, you can see the actual measurement that I've used. Add about 1/2 inch seam allowance and 1 inch on the side for the outer fabric. Right sides should always face each other. I use designer woven cotton for this. You can use any fabric you want, preferably any non-stretch fabric. This is the mid layer. I use Taslan fabric. You can use any waterproof or water repellent fabric to protect you from droplets. This is the inner layer, the fabric which will touch your skin. I used Canadian cotton here, but you can use any soft or sweat absorbent fabric that you have. There is no need to add seam allowance on the left side because this will be the indicator you can use later where to fold the side part. Put 2 pieces of this fabric together. Sew along the marks. Put the printed fabric pieces in between of the waterproof pieces. Again, sew along the marks. Put the white fabric and printed fabric together. Right sides should face each other. Again, sew along. You should fold 3 times on the marks that you can see. Again, pin and sew. Cut 2 pieces of 9 inches elastics. I actually used 1/8 inch width for ease and comfort. Insert the elastics using a safety pin. You should tie the elastics and hide the knot.
Bella, bola, bala.
Again, this is Luna Creations. Click like, share, subscribe.